Hi, welcome to 2-Minute Writing Tips. I'm Kirsten and I'm a writer and content strategist. For a lot of people, colons and semicolons are nothing more than useless punctuation marks that take up an entire key on a keyboard. Do they have any use, and is it worthwhile to use them? The answers to those questions are yes and yes. And we're going to go over how and when you would use them. The most common use of a semicolon is to join sentences. Consider this. A series of short, choppy sentences like this can break up the flow of your writing. We can fix that by joining two of them with a semicolon. So this one works, and so does this. Semicolons can also be used to separate lists. Now usually we use commas for this purpose. Simple enough, right? But what if we want to add sets of adjectives to those items? All of those commas are confusing, so we use semicolons to group the words in a way that will make sense to the reader. Now, much like a semicolon, colons can also be used to join sentences, but the sentences have to be very closely related. So to use our earlier example, this wouldn't really work because there's not a close enough connection between the subject matter in the two portions. But this one would work really well. Colons can also be used to introduce a list. Now, here are some common mistakes that are made with the use of colons. None of these sentences actually needs a colon. To test whether you are using your colon correctly, see if the first part could stand alone as a grammatically correct sentence. If it doesn't, you need to either fix or eliminate your colon use. I hope that clears it up. That's it for today. I'll see you tomorrow.